welcome back to the kitchen at Buckeye Lake. And I have Evie Oxinger with me again today. Yeah, we got to do a bunch of stuff together recently.
Yeah.
So tell us about your mom. You told us about your brother. You told us about your dad. Tell us about your mom.
My mom she's a realtor and works for Keller Williams Capital Partners. She's loved to sell houses. She's sold a lot of houses, and she even sold our old house and found us a really amazing one, which I love. And yeah.
Kind of tell us something you hear her say a lot.
That you have to put more money if you want to win over the house.
Oh, if you want to win the offer, you have to increase what you're paying for it? Ah, that's pretty good advice right now, for sure. All right. So today, Evie and I are making a quick summer dessert, and it's a Jammy Shortbread. It's like a one bowl thing. Hang on, we're gonna get these cups in there, and she's gonna start making the crumb mix for the shortbread. So we're gonna dump in a couple cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. All right. Gotta get it so it's like small crumbs. While she's getting this all mixed up really, really good and really crummy. There you go. So I usually double this recipe because this is really a house favorite too. But and make an 8 by 13 or 9 by 13 pan. So we start with lining this 8 by 8 pan. And then we're gonna, with our parchment, this thing with about 2/3 of this dough. And just drop it in here and start flattening it out into the pan. So like push towards there you go. So we use jam or preserves. There is a difference. Jam has, preserves has more pieces of fruit in it than a jam does. But right now we have jam, and this is what, a cherry jam?
This is
cherry preserves.
Yeah.
Or cherry preserves that we have. So she's gonna spread it all through the whole thing. Okay, let's just crumble it across the top. Now, that's it. It's ready. That was that quick. The only thing you have to remember is to set the butter out and let it get at room temperature. We're gonna pop it in the oven for 25-30 minutes at 350, and it'll be done and it'll be delicious. Alrighty. We're in the oven. This is the jam bars. We're gonna let them cool, and then we're gonna slice them. And but we are gonna let them cool. So our jam bars, our shortbread jam bars, are out of the oven. And now we're just going to cut them. Now that they're cooled, look at that shortbread under there.